Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If said mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If said diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. If said looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy gourd. If said billy gourd won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cotton wool. If said cotton wool turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. If said dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. If said horse and cart fall down, still be sweetest little baby